Welcome back everybody to Graveyard Creepers. Today we're going to work on this fella. We're going to try to bend his neck down a little bit and maybe bow his back out a little bit if I can. It's pretty thick, so it might be a little harder to do without cutting it and stuff. But we're going to bow his neck down a little bit to make it look like he's looking down. We're going to attempt it. Anyway. So what I have is some old electric wire. You can use whatever. This is like, it's a 12 gauge, 12-2. And just strip it. You also have a copper piece, which I use a lot of, but for this one, we're not going to use the copper one at this point. So what we'll do is we'll just add this onto the finger. Now you can hot melt glue this if you want to, however you want to put it on there. Because it isn't going to matter as much because we are going to corpse it anyway, so you're not going to see the wire. So we're just going to tape the wire onto his finger because we want his hand bulked out a little bit anyway. So tape will be a good filler, and plus it'll hold your finger on. Alright guys, here's what I got. I got the fingers done, and what I did is I just wrapped tape around the wire. And the good thing about this is if you want to bend that finger, you can bend it. That's a good thing about using it's called 12-2 wire from the electrical department in Home Depot. And you can shape however you want to do these. Just try to figure out how you want to do it and twist it. So there you go. So what we'll do now is we'll take and we'll cut some of that plastic and we'll start corpsing him, and we'll corpse out here on the fingers as well. And once you stain it and everything, you're not going to see all that green. Or if you just want to paint it beforehand, paint it white or black or whatever it is you want to do, and you can do it that way as well. So we might throw some white on there, just kind of get it to blend in, just in case we got, you know, our fingers don't want the green to show through the fingers so much. But so we'll throw some white on there, and we'll be back. So what I did, guys, I used some bullseye primer, and I just primered over the green tape, so it's not going to show through the plastic as much. But there's our fingers. Like I said, you can adjust those how you want to. The tape on it does not have to be perfect, so don't try to sweat it. you want to bulk them fingers out thick-wise as much as possible to kind of fit the long, skinny hand fingers. So I like using a little bit of yellows and greens and different colors in my corpses. So I got some yellow here. This is a golden sunset yellow, and if you notice some bone, you know, it'll have yellow showing through it, you know, where the corpse is starting to rot and stuff like that. So I want to incorporate some yellow in there. We'll put some on the head. Don't have to be much. Just make it random. Okay, that's him with the stain on it. I'm going to leave it at that. Probably what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook up the hot melt glue gun and we're going to start the hair on this thing. But first I got to paint the hair. we go, guys. There's our swamp booger. And I hope this helps you to make something for your swamp pond or moss man, or however you want to name him and put him in your haunt. Very easy. I did extend his fingers. I showed you how to do that, and they are posable, so you can move his fingers around how you want to. So, and we corpsed him, painted him up, add some hair to him, put some moss on him. I think it looks pretty cool. Alright guys, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go over and check out my brothers at Cobwebs and Candlesticks and at the Weird Kid Horror Show. Make sure you check those guys out on YouTube. Also come check out our Facebook page, Trio of Terror. I think you'll enjoy it. We got a bunch of great folks in there. So come and join us in there. Show us what you build and what you make, and post it on there so we can see what kind of talent you got. Anyway, guys, we appreciate you watching. And as always, guys, it don't have to be perfect. Just build it.
Keep it creepy.